So friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to add beneficiary or payee account in HDFC NetBanking. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open any particular browser in whichever device you're using. Now, I'm showing this process on my laptop, but if you don't have a laptop or PC, you can follow the same process in your mobile phone. So open browser and search for HDFC NetBanking login, and you can select any particular option over here which says NetBanking, manage your account securely, or you can directly select NetBanking option over here and select login to NetBanking. Now it will take you to login page. You have to enter your customer ID or user ID, enter the password and complete the login process. If you don't know how to get your user ID, I have already made a dedicated video on that. You can go and check it out. Also, if you don't know your password, then you can reset it. Again, I have already made a dedicated video on that. I'll try to leave a link for both of those videos in description below. So let's complete the login process and go ahead. Now, once the login process is complete, this is how the interface will look like. In order to add a beneficiary account, either you can go to send money option, or else on the home page itself, if you go down, you get an option of send money, and over here you directly get an option to add payee or beneficiary account. So select that particular option and it will take you to the next page. Over here you have to select domestic or international, whichever account you're adding, select that, and you have to enter the payee nickname. And over here there are two options. One is bank account or credit card, and the second one is HDFC Bank or other bank. So the account you are adding is of HDFC Bank, then select HDFC Bank only. But the account you are adding is of some other bank, then in that case you have to select other bank. If you go down, you have to select the account type. So I'm going to select savings over here. You have to enter the account number 2 times. You have to enter the branch IFSC code, and also you can verify the name of that pay account. So let's enter the details and go ahead. So now you can see I have entered the bank account details. If I go down, we get additional option of setting up a pay limit. So you can directly go to set limit and you can choose the daily pay limit over here. You can move this toggle like this, and whichever limit you set, after that make sure to select the confirm option. Now if you go down, you can select the pay relation over here. It might be your own account, family account or friends account. You can choose whichever option you want, and after that you can select continue option. Now you have to verify the pay details over here. Once you do, again, don't forget to check this box and select confirm. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and select submit option. I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on submit option, and now you can see pay is added successfully. But you have to keep one thing in mind, that if you want to do immediate transfer, it won't be possible, because you can transfer the funds to pay after 30 minutes. So it will take 30 minutes of time to activate that payee or beneficiary account. Again, if you go down, you can check out some important details over here, that you can transfer up to 50,000 rupees within the first 24 hours, and after that, whichever limit you have set, which is the transfer limit, you can do that transaction. Also, you can add maximum 4 payees in a day. So these are some important things you have to keep in mind. And if you want to check out the payee details, like where you can see the payee account, then you can go to home page. If you go to home, over here in send money, you can select view payees option, and you can find the payee list over here. This is the account which I have added just now. So you can see the authorization is pending, and after 28 minutes now it will be activated. So if you want to transfer money to payee account, you can select any particular payee account like this, and you can select send money option, and from here you can enter the amount and you can do the transaction. So yes, this is how simple it is to add payee or beneficiary account in HDFC NetBanking. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.